What's up, my people? So today I'll be showing you how to actually build a slime farm. I already made a video of how to find a slime chunk. So you wanna find the slime chunk or slime chunks, 4x4 slime chunks, or however lucky you are. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to do this. Let me turn down my volume because it's gonna be loud. Sorry, I forgot to turn it down pre-hand. So you want to find the 16 by 16 array, and you want to build one block diagonally out, so they don't spawn on the walls. That'd be bad. So you want to build like that. Find your 16 by 16 array and build the wall. I'll build it 3 blocks high. 3 blocks high. So the big guys don't fall out. So after you build the 3 by 3 walls, you are going to want to find the direct middle, which since it's a 16 by 16 area, perimeter, you will have a 3 by 3 in the direct middle. That's where your iron golem will be. So, you want to dig out that 3 by 3 area, 2 down, and then 3 across and 3 wide. Let me just show you right now. So now you have your 3 by 3 down 2 area made. So that's where your iron golem will be. Don't spawn them yet, because then it's gonna be a pain in the butt for you to get all your hoppers down. So after you dug out your big hole in the ground, you should be 6 blocks from the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on all sides. Count them, boom, 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 and then build this through 3, 3, 3, 3, and you want to dig just like that, and then dig one more 3 by 3 layer down. Boom. So now you're gonna want to place down all your hoppers into a chest. And I do a double chest, a triple chest. Boom, boom. Yeah, like mine, symmetrical. And place down all your hoppers, and place down all your Sorry, I messed up. So you wanna make it so it'll be like that, and then you wanna build it up like that. I messed up there. My fault. I'll take 100% credit for it. So you wanna break down one more layer, pretty much, on the outside parts, not on your inside parts. And then break 3 layers right here, so it doesn't, glitch out, or it doesn't work again. Boom. So now it should look like this. And tell you when the hoppers are finished placing. I made a goof again. So you don't exactly need to dig that out, but you can. So you can or you cannot. It doesn't matter. So I dug it out so it looks prettier from behind here. Like, cause you have to get that from the chest sooner or later. So I would just want that to look pretty. So you don't have to have that, but I'd suggest you do if you prefer things to look nicer. So yeah. So after you place down all your hoppers, like so, it should be like this. So the iron golem cannot jump 2 blocks, so he'll be stuck down here. And you want to build a platform above him so the slimes will go flying up. Like, that's gonna be bad if it does. So, let me just build the iron golem quickly. Get the iron blocks. Sorry if you can hear this TV in the background. I I don't mean to. That's my sister. And boom. So slimes can spawn on any block, like over here. But over here is my 4x4 slime chunk. So this was my first one over here that I designed. Then I realized it took too long because you had to get pistons, place them down, get a lever, and push them into the mine carts that are right here. It's underneath them. But yeah, so they die from slime blocks. Over here, he hits them up, and there's a platform up here, so they don't die and get scattered everywhere. But yeah, oh, too many animals. And here's my iron golem farm. So these guys, you need 21 beds, 10 villagers for you to do this. I'll be making a video soon about that. Oh, I thought it was a slime. So this is going to be a creeper farm. It is not working yet, but it's going to be soon. So this design, okay, I'm gonna go show you the difference. So this is the magma cube design, as you see here. It does not produce that many, but over here, guess in the comment section down below. Guess how many slime balls are in this chest. You ready? That many. You got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost 11 stacks. That's ridiculous. Sometimes, like, things like these guys, where are they? See, here they're getting attacked now. This is how it's going to work after a while of them spawning, since it's a 14x14 array. It spawns quicker. Like, sooner or later, these guys are gonna start spawning in there, so then they try killing the iron golem too. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna make a command block thing so all the other ones will die. See, so this is why, see, they get launched. That's why you need a roof. I was waiting a while for this guy to start spawning slimes. See, so when they die, the slime balls will be launched random places. I mean, it's good, but it's also bad, you know? And also, another bad thing about it is that, let me just make it so it's a 3-block high radius. No, 2-block high. You need a 2-block high thing. Because apparently the big guys can still walk under 2 blocks, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna just double check. Never mind, they cannot. But yeah, like I said, the slime balls will go everywhere. Sorry for talking like that. I am from Mexico, just like Canada. Yeah, see, but they also sometimes glitch as they move. Oh, like that. See, one gets launched in both. So you want to build a 3-block high roof for the slimes. So in case they get launched, they will not be shot everywhere. And I just set up commands, so everything that is not necessary, like iron golems are necessary, so they will not be killed, but pigs and sheep will be killed. tell me in the comments section what type of animal you would like me to make a farm out of next. Guardian, Enderman, villager. I don't know how I'll do that, but a villager breeder. Wait, no, I already have that on my channel. Please go check that one out if you want to make a villager breeder, an automatic one too. So it does it all by itself. I deleted that world sadly enough, so. But, so, like, mobs like that will not be shot up anymore. See, hold on. You'll see in a second after he attacks it. Boom. It'll be normal, pretty much. But the thing is cool about iron golems, even if they're, like, attacked, like, by millions of slimes, they will never take any damage. So you don't have to worry about that ever happening to them. See? Like, look how many slimes are right there. And he's not taking any damage if you look at him. See, no damage. But if I pop into survival, which I'm not going to, I'll certainly die from the big slimes. Oh, watch my survival world. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video, I guess.